Welcome to Unique Education Academy. Today we're going to learn about triangle. So in this class we're going to learn about what is the definition of triangle and what are the different types of triangles. Then we'll also learn about how to find the area of a given triangle. First, we're going to understand the definition of a triangle. Triangle is a geometrical figure bounded by three sides. Now, I'm going to write down the triangle. So, this is a triangle having three sides. As you can see from this figure, it is a geometrical figure consists of three sides. One is AB, another is BC, another is CA. At the same time, it will have three angles. One angle at A, another angle at B, another angle at C. At the same time, there is going to be three vertices. A, B and C are called vertices. Vertices are the points on the triangle where exactly two sides meet. For example, at A, BA and CA will meet, results in the formation of a vertex at A. Similarly, at B, so two sides of the triangle, that is AB and CA will meet at B, results in the formation of vertex at B. Another vertex will be at C. C is obtained by the intersection of two sides, that is BC and AC. So any triangle for that matter consists of three sides, three vertices and three angles. Then only we are going to say that the given figure is a triangle. Once you know the definition of a triangle, now we are going to understand the different types of triangles. Generally, there are three types of triangles. So the first one will be equilateral triangle, the second one will be isosceles triangle, the third one will be scalene. I'm going to write down the types of triangles. The first type of triangle will be equilateral triangle. The second one will be isosceles triangle. The third one will be scalene triangle. So these are the three types of triangles. First, now we are going to understand what exactly mean by equilateral triangle. Then we are going to understand isosceles triangle and scalene triangles. An equilateral triangle is one in which all the sides of a triangle are equal. For example, in this triangle AB, BC and CA, if they are equal, all are equal, all the sides are equal, then we say that the given triangle is as equilateral triangle. Once you know the definition of equilateral triangle, now we are going to move on to the second type of triangle, that is known as isosceles triangle. An isosceles triangle is one in which two sides of a triangle are equal. For example, in this figure, ABC A is a triangle in which AB will be is equal to BC. That means any two sides of a triangle are equal, then we say that the given triangle is as isosceles triangle. Next we will move on to the third type of triangle, that is known as scalene triangle. So scalene triangle is one in which all the three sides are equal or unequal. So for example, ABCD, ABC is a triangle in which the length of AB, the length of BC and CA are unequal. For example, this is 5 centimeters, another will be 4, another will be 6, like this. So these are the different types of triangle. Once you know the definition of triangle and types of triangles, now we'll move on to the next topic, that is to find the area of triangle. To find area of the triangle. Area of any triangle, A is equal to half into base into height. The area of a triangle is represented by A, that will be is equal to half into base into height. A stands for area of the triangle, then B stands for breadth of the triangle, H stands for height of the triangle. For example, if you consider this triangle, so one of the side can be considered as base, this is B, then height will be distance from the apex of the triangle to the base of the triangle is represented by H. So again I will repeat, the area of a triangle is given by, this is a formula to find the area of a triangle. Area is equal to half into base into height. Once you know the formula, you can find the area of any type of triangle, whether it is an equilateral triangle or isosceles triangle or scalene triangle. Now I am going to find the area of a triangle. Breadth is 6 centimeters, then height is equal to 6 centimeters. So in such a case, when breadth is given as 6 centimeters and height is given as 6 centimeters, then we can find the area. So A is equal to half into base is 6 centimeters. So height of the triangle is given as 6 centimeters. So we can simplify this. 2 1s are 2 3s are. So 6 into 3 is 18 centimeters square. So that's how we can find the area of a given triangle. Knowing the breadth of the triangle and height of the triangle, so knowing the formula, we can find the area of the triangle like this. So area is given by half into base into height. Substitute the value of breadth of the triangle and height of the triangle in the given equation. The breadth is in 6 centimeters and height is also in centimeters. Then centimeter to centimeter gives the 18 centimeters square. So this is the area of the triangle. This is how we can find the area of any triangle. Friends, thank you for watching my educational video channel. If you like this channel, kindly subscribe, and further you can share it to your friends also. Thank you.